A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Please put a like and leave a comment and we could get straight into this. Alright, so last night I posted a video with a lady and she attacked how one of her friends was denied and get deported back to Jamaica. She never get her green card. She said them want to see camera like where her husband come and visit, etc. I see a lot of people bashing, say nothing no go so. I have some callers from last night's show. I'm going to play them because enough of you now watch the live show. If you want to reach out to me, 277-3254 if you share a story. Okay? And I'm going to hear the 2025 update version of green card holders and green card seekers. Okay? So I'm going to listen to this. And these are the protocol for 2025. I want to know about that come and say, oh, no, go so. Read it for yourself. You can do no research. I want to know about that come and talk like say, no, go so. Because I not post nothing false. You understand? If somebody talk about a situation where them say, maybe we can say allegedly, but persons were in a position how I go through the procedure, who can enlighten us about the update, we could just listen what them say still. Alright? And more on to like this, when I press up the like, I could drive and I could listen.
Good evening. I am Mrs. B. And I'm coming to you today about some key changes to the green card application. So if you are about to get a green card or you're interested in getting a green card, these are the 5 new changes for 2025. Processing times. So in the past, the processing time for a work visa was 90 days. Now it's going to be 5 to 7 months. Interview waivers are being phased out. You will now have to face mandatory interviews, which can delay your process. Expect more requests for evidence, especially financial documents, sponsorship validity, and proof of marriages. Fraud checks are coming back. That means home visits and second interviews. The public charge rule is back, meaning if you have used certain public benefits, you could be denied your green card. Stay tuned for more information and more updates.
So filing for a spouse for a green card 2025, how much money you need to be making. So the federal poverty guideline has just been released. Well, not just, but this year. And the amount is $25,125 to sponsor one spouse. So if you are married somebody and you give them a green card or you put in a petition for a green card, you have to be making at least minimum $25,125. And you will have to, they want to see it on your tax returns. They want to see that figure on your tax return. That are more. And it might sound like, oh, that's not a lot, but the thing is, a lot of cases are being denied, or a lot of cases are taking a long time because a lot of persons not making that amount of money to actually sponsor a spouse. They have to get a second help, or somebody have to come help them, or they have to wait until they pay or the money that they're making a year increase before they can actually file for that person. So I know a lot of, as I said before, I know a lot of persons might say, oh, that's not a lot of money. But if it wasn't a lot of money, a lot of cases wouldn't be getting, like, a lot of cases wouldn't like get denied, or a lot of cases still wouldn't be pending because the person don't make a lot of money. And as I said before, a lot of people ask for co-sponsors. You get me, I say? Because if you fall short $100, $200, they're gonna say, oh, you're not making enough money to actually sponsor this person. You can't take care of this person, and this person are gonna come and kind of depend upon the government, and them don't want that. So basically, yeah, you have to make the 25,000. You have to meet the 25,125 threshold before them can actually push forward with their case. So yeah, if you are, you know, somebody gonna file for somebody or somebody filing for somebody, and you know, it's the case it'll take a long, or they deny it. That's probably one of the reasons as well. I'm not saying that is the only reason, but that's probably one of the reasons.
So now here, guys, so everything changed. New administration, everything changed. So when nobody come for me and say, oh, no go so. People are going to update, so when you listen, So all who are married people for green card and have a long time waiting. All who in the process and never get through, you have to wait a bit. Zane, that's how things set. Not saying you're not going to get through, but things change. And more time people call me. Even today one guy called me from Canada and say he want to marry one lady for give her a stay from Jamaica. We live in Canada. Why do you one lady call me? She said she want to marry that man for give me stay. But I know how you go. You understand? I'm going to talk in a code. I've heard benefits, meaning money. You understand? And she even did one company here and I say, yo, I don't want your company here with that car. Only for people watch my channel. My channel I get traction, I get good numbers. So I don't want to highlight the type of thing that on my channel, you understand? We have to know when to say and when to say about. I couldn't hear from some callers last night pertaining to the green card and why enough people still can't get none and the procedure when you apply for one. Zane? So press the like button and I'm going to continue listening.
I just want to make 2 points here. And I'm not saying this with no apology. A lot of what is known in America with a lot of things is the Jamaicans them. MIXUP boss, we put everything out in a social media and it is from the inception, not just now. I have been here 23 years and you have every race, yeah? And every race at some point have something to do with social media, radio, whatever, you name it. And no other country in this world put out their personal business and things that they do like Jamaican people MIXUP boss. From back then with the back stamp to who are married, like every God almighty thing put out in media is Jamaican cause it. And I'm not telling no lie, I mean I make no apology. I love my people, but somehow may I tell you, we are our worst enemy. And the second thing, MIXUP boss, in regards to marriage, you see? Mm-hmm. Like, I was married. My marriage was a real marriage. And I can tell you that much. You see, the more things you guys have together, it's the less questioning you get with immigration. For example, I remember, and I know a lot of people don't know this, and I have passed on the information to quite a few people after me. Mm-hmm. I had, when I went into immigration for my interview, MIXUP boss, me not lie to you. Me can't call you on camera and show you, know, because me keep everything till this day. I brought in 18 things together with my husband. Yeah, you hear me, MIXUP boss? Let me tell you, say 18 things. 18 different things, MIXUP boss. And let me give you a rundown of some. So anybody in that situation, then can apply if it's going on now. MIXUP boss, the first thing I got was cards. Cards from my auntie from Jamaica, my brother, and from England, my girlfriend, like people within your cards about whether at Easter time, anniversary, even when you get married, congratulations on your marriage, XYZ, you know, name it. Life insurance. I had a family.
No, but hold on then, Nadim. I don't want you to talk about things. And
you have to call me name.
I don't want eyes to watch and hear all of that. So we have to keep it. Okay. So remember, you just say, we Jamaican chat too much. But now you go talk about something that will end up.
No, man, just a few things. So the fact of the matter is, the more things is the better.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, say it like that.
The more things, and try live together. And even though when you live together, if you all can produce at least 15 different things bringing into them, that are more than enough evidence to prove, say, you know, your stuff is okay.
All right. Thank you, sis.
You understand? But FYI, we are our worst enemy in everything MIXUP boss. We are our own carry down. You understand?
Yeah,
like, man. Leave out certain things on social media, man. And guess what, MIXUP boss? You come to America, anywhere you're going to the world, no matter what, keep your composure. Don't let nobody draw you out. Don't let nobody make it. You know, when I came here, MIXUP boss, you know I pay my taxes.
Okay.
I paid my taxes before I got married. So when I went in, I have good moral character. As soon as I land here, I got an XID number and was paying my taxes faithfully to Uncle Sam. So there's a lot of little punches you can apply to yourself that can be of help later. But the most and biggest one is stay away from problem. Stay away from trouble. No matter if people want to call you stupid, dumb, and I draw you out, just ignore them.
All right.
Because as we all know, we come to this foreign country, what our goals are, right?
All right. Big up
All
yourself.
right, God bless.
Cool.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. Take one more call and then later. Come guys, get the live up to 300 now, man. Come on, we are do better. If the call I attack, I'm going to say 350 live with next 100 likes. I'm gone. Good night.
Yes, Damien, good night.
What?
Yeah, the caller can tell you about this, but they separated to you. I know a customer who went in, and when they asked him what kind of panty his wife about, he said, you have to go ask her, you know, come in and watch woman. But they did, you know, a Rastaman who are, he said,
Let's say Rastaman, hold on, Rastaman say?
you have to go lift up her for ask her, you know, or go look, you know, because you know, watch woman, you know.
Then I old bonafide woman, how can I mad man this?
Yeah, I don't know everything, yeah, you know, but I know him personally. When he went in, that's what the officer asked. They separated them. Asked him, what kind of panty you have, and your wife put on this man. He said, boss, man, you have to go lift up her for looking her officer, you know, watch you, man.
Okay. All right, big up yourself. Let me take one next call.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, bank you are going.
Yeah, man. Here I go on now, Virgin. You see the first thing that we used to talk about the lady and the camera thing.
Mm-hmm.
That thing is a real thing, because we know two cases with two different people. One of them, when them going at the interview the morning, them put them in a two separate room.
Mm-hmm.
And them ask the man, what color underwear the lady dressing this morning.
Ooh, serious?
That another gimmicks thing, Virgin. We know the person personally. Them ask what.
So how a man for know what color? Hold on, then suppose a man bathe in a different bathroom and she bathe in a one and get ready.
You see, the whole, and this has gone on for years. This has situated. What me I tell you right now happened over 15 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, so this is not nothing new. You see, what happened, them know what go on. This is not a Jamaican thing. Mm-hmm. Every single country do it. You understand? So what I'm trying to do is see if the marriage is real, if the people them living at the same house, and them think. There are cases where them pop up at your house 2-3 o'clock in the morning.
What?
Yes.
Hold on, who do that? Who pop up at your house?
The immigration people, them come at your house, them look, them want to know if the man close dead, them want to know if the man have received meal dead.
How do you that say?
Yeah, man, I'm not giving stigma. I'm not tell you, all right, me personally put on a youth. Me personally put on a virgin on mine when they there. And him put on and him meet a lady and thing. Two of them work. But then they just moved in together. Mm-hmm. And 2 o'clock in the evening, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, them go to the house and just peer, them just pop up. And go to the house and none of them never did them. Mm-hmm. But one of the woman, kid did there. And them call the mother. And the mother rush and work. But because she don't know what go on, because them not give her no hint. So she can't call nobody. Mm-hmm. You understand? And when she fly, go there and think them say, where's your husband? And she say, he's at work. And them say, all right, just give us a minute. And like them say, leave your phone where it's at right there. So. And them go in at the house. And them say, where's your room? And she comes up, boom, this is my room. They say, does he live here? She said, yes. She said, show me his clothes. She had to go in her closet. She showed him clothes. She said, does he receive meal here? Yes. Boom. You have a bank account together. Show me the bank account. Show me the bank account information. What they're doing, they're checking to make sure what you say happening, say you're married, is a legit thing. This has happened for years. This has nothing to do with Trump. As much as I don't want to blame Trump for this, it has nothing to do with him. This is something that has been going on for the longest
this time, okay.
Yeah, because people believe, say, you can just do this as a business and just...
Yeah, but that, me think say just do it as a business and it does legit.
No.
Me never know say half it.
Them check them thing there, brother. Them check. Them literally come to your house. And them check them, come in and them see them want to know where you're going clothes there. They want to know if you're sleeping in the same bed. I know if a case to wearing somebody they come from Jamaica and I say, boy, how will man don't know each other? And then I have no picture, how after you they visit, all of them kind of thing. Because they want to make sure it's a legit thing because a whole heap of this going on, a whole heap of this going on in America. Nothing. But
From different country too, different.
No. This happening for every single country.
Different nationality in America do it too, don't? Indian.
Everywhere. Every country do it. Every single country do it. But them can't tell if it's real or not until when them check it. And don't go wait for check it at PR or visit 2 3 o'clock a morning them pop up. Them pop up anytime. And I want to make sure because you have people in brother. What do this thing and what them do is them know one person live one place and one person live the next place. Them not have nothing in common, them not have no bank account information, nothing. Because them just say it's a business. But when you go, everybody has to go and pay an interview, you know. So they want to make sure, say, listen, Virgin, this thing is not a fake thing. We never go on vacation yet, we don't have a bank account together. How much kids that person have, how much kids this person have. You understand? We want to meet and then check to see if the story them line up. If the story them line up, them not going, them, you have case of them tell you, say, this one you do. It's not look real, so you can go back home. Them don't detain you know, them give an option to go back home by yourself.
Then give an option.
Yeah, man.
But the lady in a fear video she said then deport her. So I don't understand.
No, man, them give. No, well, you see, once again, you know, Virgin, there's no steadfast thing where it has to go say no.
Okay.
Because I know you have people, I know people get catched in America commit crime and them go court. And the judge said, listen, I don't give a chance of voluntary deport. So you need to leave the country within the next month. I mean, I talk about man who commit crime. I don't talk about nothing, little something and thing. A man said, listen, they're giving you 1 month to leave the country. And if within the 1 month you don't leave, then you go for ICE deportation thing and them come looking for you. You understand? But that's them thing that go, man. Trump, trust me, I will want to blame Trump for this. Trump not have none for that thing.
Yeah, I'm not blaming for it because she does attack what happened.
No, because people do this thing and them think by it because it's a business, them not.
But me tell you what I go now, Banky. You see most of them things that we are getting at the media, them are going behind the scene long time, but you see through Trump come now, with the ice and the whole thing, everything them are linked to him now, make it look like him and Mr. Tough Guy, and it, you know what I mean, like it new. It's been happening.
Listen, it's not to go back to a deep night, but you see Trump changed a lot of things because normally, you hear them talk about the flight over Jamaica the other day. The last Thursday in every month, them normally have a deportation flight under the regimes before, under Biden. The last Thursday in every month, them normally send home people.
Right.
And that is a given. You hear somebody talk about Trump fire 2 ICE people today. You know why?
Nothing go, sir?
Yes. He said that the numbers is too small.
What?
Them not work. Yes. He said the number too small.
Well, another big man with name, Tom Amman.
No.
And him.
But he said, no, for the last week or so, he must say, the numbers now go as far as wanted to go.
So what number this man wants deportation at? You want to 100,000 a week?
So what happened?
In Banky?
No, I tell you what happened.
Yeah.
And this is factual, because you can check this and find out. before Trump, Biden used to carry in about 200 a day, or 200. It was 200. You
Illegal.
understand? Illegal people, but them was hunt down. Trump number was as high as 1,500 a day. You understand? So Trump is working 4 to 5 times more.
So where these people at? They can't find them or them are hide?
No. What happened is done. That is why them are leg about people now in a virtue. Them are leg about people now because them they pick up so much people that the whole areas couldn't hold all of them, so them give them bracelet and let them go back.
Okay.
At that them are doing, you know. But Trump not pleased with that. Trump has said no. We want because everything else will go bad in America, you know, brother. And that's another gimmick thing, you know. Egg right now per dozen, I catch some places I catch $10 a dozen for egg, you know, that's almost $1 each, you know. Grocery I go up, you know. Everything I go up, gas I go up, everything I go up. So the only thing him can do for making people feel like him do something right now is what I have control over. I can send on people because that was one of the major things when I'm campaign him say I go send on people. So he might tell the ICE people that they need to step it up a little bit. And that's a fact. If you listen to any news, you hear that.
Me hear somebody say US Embassy, I don't know what true it is, I go Google it. Say them see a reduce in visa applicant
Yeah,
to
it makes sense.
2025.
Yeah, so who want to come here now, brother?
So man say, look how much people did want to go America. Eh? Everybody dream was to go America, so what now?
Yes, but listen though, you must remember this now. Okay, so make a reason this out now. A lot of people who get visa come and don't go back. That is a given. You understand?
Right.
What is the sense you come here now in all this turmoil and you can't run off? Because your chances of run off now, you know, it really would make sense like a year ago. And the likelihood is say the number of visa where them are give out are going to come down now too. So you're going to pay your 150 or 170 US, whatever it is. They go here right now. So what is sense? Better you hold your money and sit down in your yard and wait look at time.
And then again, if you travel come over there now and you can't go get one local side hustle if you could have worked with the bridging. Because you're afraid.
And every step you look behind if you see it makes no sense, brother. So they believe that 100%. That makes sense to me.
That makes sense.
Makes sense.
Oh.
Yeah, it makes sense. Where you run, come go. It makes no sense.
In the turmoil, you know, what you?
Yeah.
You're right, for true.
The airline and so start complaining so them plane them not full need that make no sense. The air talk about something the other day when them say some send some big war plane with some deportee or something.
Yeah man, go.
Brethren, that I just show me, I tell you something. You see that is just showing the muscle. It's an ego thing. I'm gonna tell you why it's an ego thing now. The people in Congress are arguing. And they're asking the people, the other day when him send the people go to Colombia, normally when them are deport people, them hire, them charter a flight and send them on a charter flight. See? Them say the charter flight would cost about $80,000 to $100,000. They carry home the same amount of people who go up on the war plane. The army plane. The army plane, you know how much it costs? It costs $850,000. They carry the same amount of people.
How much it costs? How much a regular plane would that cost? Airline plane would that cost?
$90,000.
$90,000. How much the military one cost?
$850,000, almost 10 times more. You understand? And the people must say that is the problem. Because you are spending more money than you need to themselves to deport 1 million people. I go cost $800 million.
And I wouldn't have to pay taxpayers.
But no, we know that's why the man want control the whole of the money, man, and spend it the way he feel. That's why that's why I want control the money and so he can spend it. Was if just basically want them say, yeah, what? See a checkbook, yeah. Be a blank check. Just spend anything you want, how you want, when you want, all of them things. You know, see the man got cool. The man, all of them executive, all of them so far, will reach court. Him don't win one time yet. Literally don't win
As so many years say man
yet.
no win none of them yet.
Not even one.
So basically then things that this man are right if he say want implement. Not even one of them, if not pass, so one of them must pass, man. A couple must pass. Come here saying right, me saying sign one with this straw, so no more cardboard straw, paper straw, or plastic straw.
But listen now, listen. But when you sign that only go for federal buildings. You can't tell the man or have a regular restaurant to do that. That's not so it go. You understand what I'm saying? But law have to pass right across the board. But you see, the man just a try to do him thing. The other day, one of the lawyers said him to stop or something. And he decided to not stop. And then I said, right now, and even the vice president I come and say, listen, no judge not supposed to tell you what you have to do your thing. You're the president, you're supposed to can do anything you want. And them think they're going on, virgin. So the man basically I said, listen, me in charge. Nobody can tell me what to do. So that was his intention from morning. That was his intention, brethren. Because what this man really wants, and this is, if you follow him right through until now, he wants to turn this place like a Russia or a China, where when you just come in and you just serve until you're dead. And this he want to carry it go. He want forever power.
Let me answer one next caller there.
Yeah,
I'm loving that call. Let me answer one next caller. Yeah. So there you have it. There you have it, guys. Let me know if we're our own downfall, we chat too much. We put everything on social media, make people know how the loophole there and rate it, blah, blah, blah. Let me know if you don't agree with the lady or if you don't agree with the man. Does immigration require all of them stuff there pertaining to the person where you're married to for get a green card? Alright? Alright, so big up on yourself and thanks for watching. Like the video if you want to reach out to me 2773254. Big up on yourself. I'm out.